out in the Gear Manager store. That is definite. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and I got an awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that is definitely worth being in your lineup. This is a dress down and or super casual dress up watch face, but I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on this one. The name of the watch face is called Velocity. Now in AOD mode for the Gears 3, you're going to get the same look, same design. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different, but still you'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now when the watch face is on, I like the detailing of this watch face, and I love the option that this developer has given us. I'm going to give them 3 thumbs up in the door for the layout of this design. Now, looking at the watch face, you are going to get a traditional analog look. I do like the red hands on this one. It really brings out the color blue in this watch face. It looks nice. And I do like the animation of the seconds that's going around. If you look at the 10, it's going around. It looks really, really awesome. Very different, very unique. Now, in your 2 dials down at the bottom, you are going to get your battery percentage. You're going to get your month. Your heart rate information is going to be here, and miles walked around is going to be there. Now here's the option, right? So if I tap here, I can get information on my heart rate. If I tap here, I can get info on miles walked around. And if you love digital time along with your analog, like I do, then you got the option to dress super casual or just dress down casual. This is a nice option for a casual watch face. And again, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go download ASAP. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.